What is keyword in SEO? Hi everyone, Ayoub here again. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new content. Today, we're diving into the fundamental concept in SEO, keywords. By the end of this video, you will understand what keywords are, what they are important, and how to use them effectively in your SEO strategy. I have been working in SEO and content strategy for several years now, helping businesses improve their online visibility and drive organic traffic. Keywords are at the core of everything we do in SEO, so understanding them is crucial if you want to succeed online. Alright, let's get started. So, what exactly is keyword in SEO? A keyword, also known as a key phrase, is a term or phrase added to online content to improve search engine rankings. Those keywords are crucial in SEO as they connect what people are searching for with the content you provide. Now, step number 1, we're gonna answer one question. What are SEO keywords? SEO keywords, also known as keywords or phrases, are terms added to online content to improve search engine ranking for those terms. Most keywords are discovered during the keyword research process and are chosen based on a combination of search volume, competition, and commercial intent. Step number 2, why are SEO keywords important? When you optimize your content around words and phrases that people are searching for, your website can rank higher for those terms. Google scans key area of your site for those keywords, which help in driving targeted traffic. Ranking higher in CRM can bring more targeted traffic to your website. Connecting with your audience, using relevant keywords help connect with your audience, especially when they are ready to make a purchase. In fact, SEO is pretty much impossible without keywords. With the right keywords, you can start working in crucial SEO tasks like figuring out your site's architecture, planning product and category pages, writing content, and optimizing landing pages. Now, step number 3, how to find these keywords. Finding the right keyword involves a process called keyword research. Here is how to do it. Enter a seed keyword. Start with a broad topic relevant to your business. Analyze. Use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to find the related keywords. Expand. List phrases you think your customer use. Find the related search term. Explore a related term that people are searching for. And what's important here? Analyze competition. Check the competition for each keyword. And next, verify search intent. Ensure your keyword align with your target audience search intent. Now let's go to step number 4, which is focusing on long tail keywords. Many people struggle with SEO because they target keywords that are too competitive. Long tail keywords, which are longer phrases usually with 4+ words, have lower keyword difficulty compared to 1 to 3 keywords hard terms. For beginners, long tail keywords are a great starting point. For example, if you want to create a page about key to launch, type in key to launch into Google. We'll give you a list of a long tail keyword suggestion. Now let's go to step number 5. Use question-based keywords. If you're looking for keywords for blog posts and articles, tools like AnswerThePublic and QuestionDB can be very helpful. Those tools provide question keywords, which are perfect for creating helpful SEO content. Now, step number 6. Find creative keywords. For more creative keywords, check out seedkeywords.com. This tool lets you ask customers, colleagues, or clients how they would search for something in Google, helping you find unique keywords. Step number 7. Use Amazon for e-commerce. For e-commerce site, finding keywords for product and category pages is essential. Use Amazon Suggest to find excellent product keywords. Simply type in a product or product category into Amazon and jot down any term that comes up. Now, step number 8. Analyze competitors' keywords. Another effective strategy is to look at the keywords your competitors are ranking for. Tools like SEMrush, this is the best one that allow you to enter a competing domain and see a list of keywords they are ranking for. This method is fast and provides a list of relevant keywords. Next, step number 9. Use Google Trends. Google Trend is a great tool to see how keywords are trending over time. This helps you choose them that are growing in popularity, ensuring your content brings in target traffic for your years. Now, step number 10, use keyword in your content. Once you have keywords, it's the time to use them effectively. Main keywords. Optimize your content around one main keyword. Then, go ahead to the title tag and URL. Include your main keyword in the title tag and URL. Next, meta description. Add your keyword to the meta description to make sure snippets stand out in search results. Next, variation. Sprinkle in variation of your main keyword throughout your content. Next, internal link. Use internal link with your keyword, rich and short text to send authority to your new page. Now that you know what keywords are and how to use them, start implementing this strategy in your website. Take some time to do thorough keyword research and integrate them in your content. Trust me, it will make a huge difference in your SEO offer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumb up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. Also, leave a comment below with any question you have about keyword or SEO in general. I love hearing from you and I will do my best to answer all the questions. Teresa, keywords are essential for connecting your content what users are searching for. By understanding and using keyword effectively, you can improve your website relevance, visibility, and traffic. Understanding and using keyword effectively, you can improve your website relevance, increase visibility in search results, drive more targeted traffic to your site, and lastly, enhance your overall SEO strategy. With those insights and strategy, you will occupy to start optimizing your content and boosting your search engine ranking. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more SEO tips and strategies. Hit the bell icon to get notified of my next videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.